Welcome back, fellow programmers. Today, we have an exciting journey ahead as we dive into the world of Dart, the powerful programming language that's taking the tech industry by storm. This tutorial will be exploring the fundamentals of variables and data types. So grab your coding hats and let's get started.
Before we jump into the code, let's quickly understand what variables are and why they are essential in any programming language. Variables act as containers to store data and give it a meaningful name. They enable us to manipulate and work with different types of information efficiently. In Dart, we have a rich set of data types to choose from, catering to our diverse programming needs. So let's open up our code editor and start coding. Here we have our Dart environment set up and we're ready to create our first variable. In Dart, we don't need to explicitly specify the data type. The language is intelligent enough to infer it. Let's declare a variable called message and assign it value hello world. Dart recognizes that the value is a string and automatically assigns the data type accordingly. Isn't that convenient? Now that we have our first variable, let's explore some other data types Dart has to offer. Integers, for example, are used to represent whole numbers without any fractional or decimal parts. Dart provides both signed and unsigned integers to cater to a wide range of applications. Here, I'm going to declare an integer variable called age and assign it to the value 25. Notice how Dart recognizes that this is a numeric value and assigns the appropriate data type. Excellent. We've covered strings and integers, but what about decimal values? Dart has got us covered with the double data type. Doubles are used to represent numbers with fractional or decimal parts. Let's create another variable called pi and assign it the value 3.14. It recognizes the decimal point and automatically assigns the double data type. This flexibility allows us to work with a wide range of numeric values. Now, what if we want to represent a true false value or a binary decision? Well, Dart offers the bool data type for that purpose. Booleans are used to express logical conditions and they can have only two possible values, true or false. Let's declare a Boolean variable called is Dart awesome and assign it true. Dart promptly recognizes the variable and assign the bool data type to it. Fantastic. We've covered the basic data types in Dart. But wait, there's more. Dart also provides an advanced data type like list, maps, and even custom data types using classes. Exploring those will be our next adventure. That's it for today's tutorial on Dart variables and data types. We've learned how to declare and assign values to variables of different data types, which is crucial for any coding journey. Make sure to practice what you've learned and experiment with these concepts in your own projects. Remember, coding is all about hands-on experience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Dart content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you all for joining me today. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.